Well, here we are back in St Amant, Louisiana, and it's snowing again. And we have a snow day here. And it's coming down in big chunks. I don't know how much of it's going to stick because it's been raining a lot lately. And just let you look at the snow as it's coming. Someone was telling me at work that it's getting ready to snow in the Florida Panhandle. If that happens, they said it'd be the first time in history they had snow in all 50 states. And yes, that includes Hawaii too.
Oh, really?
Mauna Loa.
Ah.
Don't you remember? You take those snow skiing trips up those mountains in the Big Island. Like I said, I don't know how much of this is going to stick because it does have a lot of water in the yard.
There's a little bit sticking on the ground.
Yeah, but not a whole lot.
Yeah. It's not even cold outside, really.
And my son-in-law here says it's not cold.
Not really. That's just because he's brain dead.
Little birthday snow for my daughter here. In 6 days is her birthday.
I'm so excited.
And also having to be Mardi Gras time too.
Okay. I gotta clean out my car now.
Yeah, it's snow day for all the school kids, but it wasn't a snow day for us workers. Actually, I was coming in from Baton Rouge, it was snowing. And by the time I got to Ascension Parish, it was raining. But now here it comes. It's about 2 hours since I've been home, so it's starting to snow now.
I think you're crazy. Okay.
No, it's not as cold as you would think it would be. Like, it's cool out here.
And like I said, this is it. It looks like it's already stopping. It's not as heavy as it was. And as we watch the snow as it comes down, hitting the ground and melting. Alrighty. Bye-bye.